Let's get to cleaning this apartment. It's so bad. Hello and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, hi, my name is Darlene. I am 30 years old. I live in San Antonio, Texas with my husband and my 2 dogs. But for today's vlog, we're gonna be doing a huge apartment reset. It's been about like a month or a month and a half since I've done one of these, and my apartment is in like desperate need of a clean reset. I'm filming this on a Friday, and normally I would do like a reset on a Sunday, but my husband's like first day of work is Saturday, so I want him to come home to a clean apartment for the weekend and for his days off. I'm gonna start by cleaning each room one by one. I think I'm gonna start with the kitchen, the living room, my office, bedroom, and then save the restrooms for last. But I am gonna go room by room since it'll be a little bit easier. Also, my sweet husband brought me a Starbucks this morning. It's so good. I've already been like sipping on it. This is my go-to drink. It's like $5 or $6 and it is seriously the best. I will have it in my description box how to order it, and you can switch out the syrups for anyone that you like. I do cinnamon dolce because it's my favorite. But let's get to cleaning this apartment. I had my breakfast and now I went ahead and planned out my day. I'm still drinking my smoothie. I did add a couple more things to my planner, and I'm doing some emails here and then of course watching some TikToks. But if you guys don't have one of these like daily planners, they are so helpful. I got this one from Target years ago and I recently found it when I was moving. Love this, but it's pretty cool because once you're done with the day, you just rip it off and you have all these pages here. I've seen similar ones on Amazon, so I can definitely link them, but these are so helpful. Okay, I think I need these. Alright, so my battery ended up dying at some point while I was cleaning the oven. I did not even notice. I did finish cleaning the oven off camera. I also cleaned the stovetop, the microwave, and the kitchen counters. I also did clean the restrooms. I don't like showing restrooms on camera for some reason. Like, it kind of gives me the ick when I see people cleaning their restrooms like on TikTok videos or Sunday resets. I don't know why, it's just my preference. I cannot. So I did already clean the toilets and the countertops, but I wanted to show you guys a little trick I actually learned through TikTok. If you don't have one of these standalone scrubs that you can put solution in here, these are a game changer. I have one of these in both of my showers because when you're in the tub, you can literally clean the shower at the same time. If you do this like every day or maybe like every other day or like even once a week is fine, you're gonna see how clean your shower is. Like, I always do it when I'm doing like a hair mask or something, and I do have one of these to clean my sink as well because this helps get all the like grime, and I think it's called calcium, off of your sink, so it's gonna look spotless. This is the before of my sink. Yeah, it's pretty gross. And this is the after. Isn't that so clean? Look at that shine. Ah, perfection. I also did put my scrub daddies and, oh my gosh, what are those called? Oh my gosh, why can't I think of the word? Well, I put those in there too this whole time so they can clean and disinfect. I'm gonna take these out and put them on the sink as well. It is now time to clean the office. It doesn't look that bad on like the surface. Like I really want to clean here. If I have enough time today, we are going to clean my makeup brushes, but we're going to see. And I really want to go through these Alex drawers because let me just show you. It's so bad. I have so much room, but I don't know why I do this. It just gets worse. So we're gonna go through this, and then oh my gosh, let me show you guys the cutest thing I got from Marshall's yesterday. So my little cousin is moving into her first apartment, and I'm so excited for her. She moves this weekend or next weekend, I think it's next weekend actually. But I love giving like little baskets for like presents, and I found this mushroom one. It is so cute. It's a little slanted, so it's not doing it like that cute, but I'm definitely gonna like stuff this on camera, maybe like in the next vlog. But this is the cutest thing ever. If you love mushrooms, I got it from Home Goods, and it was $24.99. I just unboxed all my items. I'm gonna give you guys a little run through of everything I got. First, PR packages from Kiehl's. They went ahead and sent over their Rare Earth Deep Pore Minimizing and Polishing Powder Cleanser along with their face mask. I also got a bunch of falsies from Kiss. I love being on Kiss's PR list. They have like the best stuff ever. And then I got this little goodie bag, again another item from Kiehl's. I have a retinol sunscreen, a dark spot solution, and lastly a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. The next package is from Good Wipes, and they have the best wipes for when you gotta go to the restroom, you gotta clean yourself. They're so good, and I got the scent Rose Water, and they also sent over all of these like really fun stickers. I love these, and you can find them at H-E-B. This must have got like lost or something in my package lockers because I've always had issues with my dang package lockers because this was sent for my birthday. My birthday was in January, but oh my gosh, this is my face on a can of cheese. Can you believe that that's my face on a can of cheese? Because I can't. This is the coolest package ever. That is my face on a can of Rico's cheese. Let's tackle the Alex drawer. The office is looking so much better. The drawers look great. The first one here has like extra jewelry items and things that don't fit over here. For example, the Christmas earrings, I don't want them over there because these are like summer and like fun earrings. So I have my Christmas ones over here and just like extra stuff. This drawer has like a lot of tech things like tripod. This one is empty. I just have the mic box that didn't fit on the other one. Here I have just more tech stuff and like phones and things. Okay, this drawer has all of my receipts. I don't have time to go through these today. I have to sort these out, so I just literally stuffed all the receipts in this drawer. The bottom 4 drawers all have like important paperwork, tax stuff for my mom's case, so all of that stuff is just like really important. But I am so happy to have these cleared. Other than that, the office is looking so good. Currently 7 o'clock right now. I just sat down on the couch to see what time it was, and it's 7. I did not even realize how late it was, but I've just been like cleaning and organizing all day. My back hurts, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. I pretty much did everything but fold the laundry because I didn't do any laundry today because I washed clothes yesterday. I just have to fold it. I didn't get to do that today, so I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow, but I still really wanted to mop the floors. I'm gonna see if I catch like a second wind after I eat. I think I'm gonna order some kava because that sounds so good right now, and I literally haven't eaten since I showed you guys the breakfast this morning, and it was literally 1 egg bite, a toast, and a smoothie. So I'm hungry. I need to eat something. I think I'm gonna order some kava, and if I feel good enough, I will mop tonight. That was Bella, but let's order some food. All right, my DoorDash of kava came. I'm gonna enjoy this. I have a poppy. I'm gonna find something to watch on TV and just relax because I did so much today. All right, I finished dinner and it was so good, but I wanted to show you guys the bedroom. Thankfully, it always looks this clean. I am just so proud of us for at least always having a super clean bedroom. I don't know if you remember in a few vlogs ago, we had the bed actually in front of these windows, and we actually had these 2 pictures and this one on this wall. Matthew ended up hanging these frames on either side of the windows for me, and I love the way it looks. He also centered the Better Together frame with the bed, and it looks perfect in my opinion, and just looks so calm and peaceful in here. Don't mind our bigger pillows in the back. They don't have pillowcases because they are super large, and I cannot find the right pillowcases for them online, so that's why they have like just no pillowcases. So let's just ignore that. Also, you guys, I'm looking for some really good sheets. If y'all have any recommendations for like really good sheets, please let me know, because I am looking for like a sage green color sheet. It's not picking up on camera, but that green where the Better Together sign is a beautiful sage green, and I want sheets to match it. So I'm gonna vacuum the bedroom now. I decided I'm not gonna mop. I'm just way too tired, and it's a lot more extra work to get out the bucket, to fill it up, to mop, and wait for it to dry. I'm just gonna mop tomorrow or Sunday, but I am gonna vacuum the bedroom. I want to vacuum the office as well, but I have all those PR boxes on the floor, and I need to wait for Matthew to take those out for me. I think I'm also gonna wait to vacuum the office till either tomorrow or Sunday, but let's at least vacuum the bedroom because Ranger does sleep in here at night with me when Matthew's gone. Let me show you the before of my vacuum. This is how the vacuum looks now. Just wait to see how it looks when I'm done with this room alone. Just watch. You remember how it looked before, right? Just wait, just wait. Yeah, that's all dog hair, all of it. I say this all the time, but if you have a dog that sheds and you don't have a Dyson, you're truly missing out. This is worth the investment, or even if you have kids. I will have it linked, but just keep in mind it is pricey, but I will 1000% say that it was worth the investment. There is nothing more satisfying than seeing these lines after you finish vacuuming. Oh.